In this video, we're going to talk about incompletes. So at the end of the semester, the course gets turned off because the semester is over, but I still have a student or a couple of students that need to access the course to complete work for an incomplete through the university. To do that, I don't want to delete all of my students because I still need their records in there, but I need to access only for that student. I don't want to turn the course on and have everyone in the class still seeing this course in their list. I just want the student that's doing the incomplete to see it. So I'm going to go to participants, and if I look at my list of participants, all of these people were added by banner, and I can tell that by the little blue circle at the end of their username or their end of their entry, and if I hover over it, it says banner. So this student was enrolled by banner. I, as the teacher, was also enrolled through banner. So both of those are banner enrollments. So the first step, I need to manually add those students that I want the incomplete to participate in, and I need to add myself as the teacher. So I'm going to go up here and go to enrolled users, and I'm going to do myself first. I'm going to search, I'm going to select my name, and I'm going to give myself teacher role in here, enroll, and then I'm going to go back in again, and I'm going to look for my student's username, and Ethan is the student I'm looking for. I want to make sure his role is student, enroll users. And so now if I go down here, Ethan has two enrollment methods. One is banner, one is manual enrollments. I have two enrollments. One is banner, one is manual. If I do not add myself as a manual user, when I do this next step and turn off banner enrollments, I will lock myself out of the course. So it's important that you add yourself as well as the student, and add yourself as in a teacher role. So after adding the proper users, I'm going to go up here and go to enrollment methods, and I have 2 manual enrollments in this course and 11 banner enrollments. So I'm going to go here on the right hand side and disable banner enrollments, and it just wants to warn me, hey, you sure? Yes. So those have been disabled. So if I go back to participants, you will see now only 2 people are listed. The first student is listed as active through the manual enrollment, not current through banner, which means at this point, if I go and turn this course on, this course will show up for the student in their course list, but will not show up for anybody with the banner enrollment. We haven't deleted grades, we haven't deleted activities for those other students, we've just temporarily disabled that enrollment. When I'm done with the incomplete, I can go back to enrollment methods, and I can go down to banner and turn that back on. Now when I go to participants and go to enrolled users, I see all of my students are back, all of their data is back. You do not need to delete the manual enrollments. That won't hurt anything going forward. You can just leave that and let it be archived at the 25-month mark. Perfectly fine. All of the data will be stored with that, including the stuff that they've done as an incomplete.